Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Muscletech Mastech Extreme 2000 versus Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass. We'll dive into their core nutritional profiles, highlighting the distinct differences in calories, protein, and carbohydrates per serving. My goal is to help you understand which mass gainer aligns best with your specific fitness and muscle-building objectives. Let's break down the details to inform your decision. First, let's look at Muscletech Mastech Extreme 2000, a powerful option for serious bulk. Each full serving, when mixed with skim milk, offers over 2,000 calories, making it ideal for those with very high caloric needs. You also get 80 grams of protein and over 450 grams of carbohydrates. Additionally, it provides a substantial 10 grams of creatine and 8 grams of leucine to support muscle growth and strength. Next, we examine Optimum Nutrition's Serious Mass, a popular choice for weight gain. A 2-scoop serving mixed with water provides 1,250 calories, 50 grams of protein, and 250 grams of carbohydrates. It's designed to help you meet your daily caloric and macronutrient targets. Serious Mass also includes 3 grams of creatine monohydrate and a blend of 25 essential vitamins and minerals for overall support. When comparing these two, Muscletech Mastech Extreme 2000 delivers significantly more calories, protein, and creatine per serving, making it suitable for extreme bulking. Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass offers a slightly lower, yet still substantial, calorie and protein count, alongside a broader spectrum of 25 vitamins and minerals. Consider your specific caloric needs and desired nutrient ratios. For more great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below. Choose the gainer that best supports your unique fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.